Hello students, welcome to the fourth session of exponents and powers. Today we will discuss scientific notation. First, understand what is scientific notation. Scientific notation is the way to handle very large numbers and very small numbers. It is also known as standard form. To understand this, let's take this number. This number I have written, it is really hard to write, read and to do calculation on it. It is just a very big number. So after converting it into scientific notation, I can easily read it, write it and do calculation on it. This number 5600000000, इसकी जो scientific notation है that is 5.6 multiplied by 10 की power 9. So it is the scientific notation of this number. Scientific notation consists of two parts. This first part is known as the number or number part, or this second part is known as the power of 10 or power of 10 part. And scientific notation is written as the product of number and the power of 10. It is number and it is power of 10. Now let's see how we can convert number into scientific notation or standard form. For it, there are two rules of it. First rule says that power of 10 is positive if number is greater than 1. Let's understand it through one example. I have taken one number 48200000 and I have to convert it into the scientific notation. So how can I convert it? My decimal be here in this number. So while converting number into scientific notation, we have to shift the decimal after the very first non-zero digit of the number from the left side, and here from the left side first non-zero digit is 4. So our aim is to just shift this decimal after the 4. That be my number. So how can I write 4.82? Now come to the power of 10 parts. Here we have to put the power of 10 equal to the number of places decimal has been shifted. Now see how much places decimal has been shifted. I am started from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this side. So decimal has been shifted 6 places. So my power be 6 and it is the scientific notation of this number. Here 4.82 is the number part and 10 raised to power 6 is my power of 10 part. Now let's take another example. I am having one number 735100000 and decimal be here. So I have to shift this decimal after the first non-zero digit from the left, that is 7. So my aim is to put the decimal between 7 and 3. So my number part be 7.351. And now come to the power of 10 part. What will be the power of 10? The number of places this has been shifted. So now let's see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here decimal has been shifted 8 places. So my power be 8. So what will be the scientific notation? 7.351 multiplied by 10 raised to power 8. Now let's see second rule. It says power of 10 is negative if number is less than 1. Let's see this number 0.0053. This number is less than 1. So power of 10 be negative in this. So how can we convert this number into scientific notation? We will follow the same steps. First we have to shift this decimal after the first non-zero digit from the left side. Now first non-zero digit, that is 5. So we will shift this decimal after 5. So my number part be 5.3. And now come to the power of 10 part. What will be the power of 10? The number of places I have shifted. How much? 1, 2, 3. So my power be 3. But as this number is less than 1, so power is negative. So power be negative. So scientific notation of 0.0053 is 5.3 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 3. Now let's take another example. Again, I am having very small number. This number is 0.000789 and again I have to shift this decimal after the first non-zero digit, that is 7. So my number part be 7.893 and my power of 10 part equal to the number of places decimal has been shifted. Now let's see how much places it has been shifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So power be minus 5 as this number is less than the 1. So my scientific notation for this number is 7.893 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 5. So students, that's all for today. Assignment related to today's work has been uploaded. Try to solve that and keep practicing.